Welcome back to Joe Bob's Garage. Look here, got me a box. Shit, got me a box full of goodies. Yeah, gotta get on these brakes, get them done. So let's get on this. All right, let's see what we got here in the box of goodies. All right, got me a vacuum pump bleeder so I can bleed the brakes by myself because I have no friends. All right, let me see. Oh, I got a couple of 4-inch baffles. They came in. I'm gonna put those in the pipes, calm the bike down a little bit, plus help keep it from backfiring so much. All right, and I got the caliper to rebuild the calipers for the front and the back. Got those. All right, that'll be good. Gonna be able to stop. Oh yeah, a couple of bleeders because they're pretty rusty, the ones that are on there. And here, the rear master cylinder. It's pitted. It looks like crap inside. It's full of garbage. And instead of just rebuilding it, I just went ahead and got a new rear one. So I'm gonna put that on. So yeah. Well, there we go. All the goodness. Whoop, one more thing. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Look at that. Try not to get heat stroke this year. All right, man. Let's get on it. One thing before I get started here, let me show you this. I did a sticker swap. I got my own stickers and had a couple of guys do a sticker swap with me. They got good channels. I believe this one is Toby Northen. He does some moto vlogging stuff, and this is Larry68 HD. Check these guys out. Links in the description. There it shot out. Man, that shot out of there like a rifle. That would have took off across the room. Yeah, it feels like we got some sludge in there. Yeah, here I made myself a tool with a wire tie and some Scotch-Brite to clean out those calipers. Alright, give me a little brake fluid here. Gotta get everything soaked into brake fluid. Clean out that little groove in there where the seal sets. It's like an O-ring, but it's not. It's a square O-ring. It's not a round O-ring. Yeah, you just make sure that these edges aren't rolled on that seal. All right, I got it down in there, but not all the way, which is good. All right, now I can put the seal in. There goes the front caliper. Moving on. I'm looking forward to trying this thing out. Let's see if this works. All right, yeah, I like that brake bleeder. That thing works. Okay, I had a mess in the front, made a mess. The copper washers, I couldn't get them to seal no matter what I did. I had to grab a couple more washers, stick them in there, boom, get sealed up. So got the front done. The rear, well, the reason I had to rebuild those is because I could bleed them out and get it to brake, but when I let off of the brake, well, the foot pedal, the rear brake, when I let off of it, the tire was stuck. You could turn it, but it was hard. So that piston in the caliper was stuck out. So I had to rebuild them. Everything works great now. All right, brakes are done. Moving on to the next thing. I got a bunch of little tweaking stuff, adjusting the clutch, tidying up a few electricals. I gotta get the rear brake pressure sensor for the rear brake hooked up, and getting closer. You know how it goes. It seems like this is taking me for like 38, 40 years to get this bike done, but it will get done, I promise, and I'll move on to another one. All right, guys, y'all take it easy.